Here's a quote pointing out a fundamental logic error. See, winners and losers often have the exact same goals. The real difference isn't the objective, it's the operating system running in the background, often on very old hardware.
So let's deconstruct that. Most of us focus on the output, the goal, a temporary state. We need to look at the code that actually produces the result.
A goal is the result. A system is the process. Goals set the direction, systems make the progress. Think of it this way. A goal is the destination, the system is the vehicle. And focusing only on the destination is a great way to get lost. Okay, let's install our first command, habit stacking.
The principle is simple. Link a new habit to a current one. You're using an old script's momentum to launch a new subroutine. This leverages existing neural pathways, which is far more efficient. So, today, find one current habit and stack a new, tiny one right after it. The only metric is execution. Did you do it? Yes or no? As a bonus, your morning coffee can now be logged as a productivity metric.
Next command. This one overcomes the inertia of starting, the 2-minute rule.
Here's the logic. A habit must be established before it can be improved. This isn't about the result. It's about mastering the art of showing up. If you can't run the initial command, you can't optimize anything.
Your action for tomorrow, take a goal and shrink it to its 2-minute entry point. Instead of read a book, just read 1 page. You might keep reading for 30 minutes, or you might find you don't like reading. Either way, data acquired.
Now, for a passive upgrade, configure your environment to do the heavy lifting.
The logic is friction. Reduce steps to good habits, increase steps to bad ones. Make good cues obvious, bad cues invisible. Your brain follows the path of least effort. This isn't laziness, it's tactical energy conservation. Your processor will thank you. Let's synthesize this into your directive for the next 24 hours.
First, pick one habit. Second, shrink it to 2 minutes. Third, stack it after a current habit. Don't plan this, execute now. A system doesn't start itself, it needs an admin. Congratulations, you're the admin. Try not to install any malware.
I turned this into a clean PDF plus action worksheet. Link in the description or pinned comment. If this helped you, hit like, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more. Comment, what's the next step you'll take in the next 24 hours?